In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo size in WordPress, whether you want to increase or decrease it. First, let's head over to wordpress.com. This is your main gateway to accessing your site, so go ahead and click on Login. You'll be presented with several login options, but for today's tutorial, we're going the quick and easy route by clicking on Continue with Google. After clicking, you'll need to choose the Google account that's associated with your WordPress site. Just a quick tip, make sure you're selecting the right account if you manage multiple sites or profiles. Once you've successfully logged into your WordPress account, direct your attention to the right panel on your screen. Here you'll find a set of quick links. Look for the option that says Edit Site, then give it a click. This will take you directly to your site overview where you can easily make changes as needed. Don't worry about getting lost. WordPress makes it pretty straightforward. Now that you're in the site editor, it's time to locate the particular website you want to modify. Click on your website within the editor. This takes you to the dashboard specific to your site, empowering you to make various changes, including the one we're tackling today. Next, focus on your site logo. Click directly on the site logo. This action will open a series of options related to your logo configuration. On the right panel, there should be an option or a slider labeled image width. This is where you can make your adjustments. Sliding this option will increase or decrease the size of your logo. A helpful tidbit while you're here, if your logo seems to get blurry when you enlarge it, it might be due to the original file's resolution. Always aim to use a high quality image for logos to ensure clarity, no matter the size. After you have adjusted the scaling to your satisfaction, take a moment to preview your changes. Double check that the logo size is visually aligned with the rest of your site's aesthetics. A logo that's too large or too small can disrupt the overall design harmony. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to change the logo size on your WordPress site with a few simple steps. With all these changes in place, be sure to save your work to avoid losing any adjustments. Congratulations on updating your site's look. Keep experimenting with different sizes and styles until you find what best represents your brand. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy designing.